So let's solve for x here in 2x plus 6 equals 10. So how do we do that? What we want to do is get x all by itself. So if we do something to this side of the equation, we have to do it to this side. This is algebra. So why don't we just do this? Why don't we just subtract 6 from both sides? 6 minus 6, that's 0. So we would just end up with 2x equals 10 minus 6, that equals 4. And now it's pretty easy. Divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we just have 1x or x. And 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 2x plus 6 equals 10. Solving for x, when we find x, it's just 2. And we can check that. So we found that x was 2. Let's just put 2 in here for x. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 6, that gives us 10. So 10 equals 10. It's a true statement. That means we did it right. X here equals 2 when we solve for x, and 2x plus 6 equals 10. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.